Hey, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to compare two of the latest AMD Ryzen processors, the Ryzen 5 5600 and the Ryzen 5 7600. If you're interested in building a gaming PC, this video is for you. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below with your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews. The Ryzen 5 5600 comes with a price tag of $139, whereas the Ryzen 5 7600 retails at $229, which is almost double the price of Ryzen 5 5600. The Ryzen 5 5600 can deliver fast 100+ FPS performance in the world's most popular games, discrete graphics card required, as it has no integrated graphics. Whereas the Ryzen 5 7600, based on AMD Zen 4 architecture, has a 5.2 GHz max boost frequency, which is higher than Ryzen 5 5600's 4.4 GHz. In terms of gaming performance, both CPUs should perform similarly in titles. Both CPUs have 6 cores and 12 processing threads, which is more than enough for most gamers. The Ryzen 5 5600 comes bundled with the AMD Wraith Stealth Cooler, whereas the Ryzen 5 7600 also comes with the same cooler. Ryzen 5 5600 comes with a 35 MB cache and can support PCIe 4.0, while the Ryzen 5 7600 has a much larger 38 MB cache and will support PCIe 5.0 on select 600 series motherboards. So there you have it, our comparison of Ryzen 5 5600 and Ryzen 5 7600. In our opinion, both CPUs are great options for gamers. If you're tight on budget, Ryzen 5 5600 is a clear winner. But if you have extra cash or you want to upgrade your system, Ryzen 5 7600 is a great choice as well. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.